the operator plus plus increases the value of the variable by 1. Let us look at this example. At the start, x is equal to 10. When we apply plus plus before x value will be increased by 1. Therefore, the result will be 11. What will happen if we put the plus plus after x? In this case, the value of x will be increased only if we refer to x again in the same line or any subsequent line. Therefore, the result of this line will be the original value, which 10 in this case. The increment did not take effect yet. Let us add another line to print x again. Then, we run the code. This line will apply plus plus after x and will display the original value of x, which 10. This line will print the new value of x, which is 11. In summary, when plus plus is before the variable, it gets applied immediately. However, when it is after the variable, it gets applied only next time we refer to the variable.